guys, it's Swazo, and before I start this video, I know I look like trash. That is because I'm wearing no makeup at all. I'm completely barefaced. So you are seeing me in my purest form. You know, it's just one of those days where I just can't be bothered with anything. But I did want to film a video, and so I thought today I would show you my makeup routine for days where I really can't be bothered, where I'm feeling really lazy, and I just want to do really simple, quick, basic makeup where I just don't have to really put effort in. I don't know how helpful this will be to a lot of you, but I just thought I might as well show you what I do on lazy days, or pretty much every day where I'm either not doing a full makeup look or days where I just don't wear any makeup at all. This is what I do like most of the time. Usually, you know, it's really easy, basic, lazy, may be helpful to some people. This may not be helpful for some people. I don't really care. I'm just going to show you what I do on these types of days. You know, it's really funny, well, not funny, it's just really weird that I'm kind of comfortable showing my completely bare face on YouTube to everyone, and yet in real life showing my bare face to anyone that isn't my family or my boyfriend's family is like traumatizing to me. Like, I literally try to hide myself from people so they don't see what I look like in real life without makeup, and yet I'm showing the world my face without makeup right now. I don't understand it. Just YouTuber things. Anyway, my eyes look so tired. This is my real hair, by the way. I gave my fringe a little bit of a trim so it's not just kind of always like. So this is my hair, au natural. Let's push this back out of my face and we'll get started with the makeup. I don't know what's going on with my voice today. I'm also not wearing any contact lenses today, which is a change. So if you wonder what my natural eyes look like, here you go. They're kind of blue, kind of a grey blue. Let's get onto the makeup. So on lazy makeup days like today, I don't wear primer. I usually don't wear primer, and I don't actually wear foundation, but I do wear concealer because I need something to conceal this dark baggage I have going on. So I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C1. This is a nice, affordable, and actually really good concealer. I'm just going to go in and kind of sloppily just pop that under my eyes, and then I just use this finger. God, it's really hard to like put that finger up by itself without holding my fingers down. I use my ring finger and just kind of gently pat that in. And for the edges I kind of wipe it out so it blends a little bit into my actual skin. And I take it on the top of my eyelids just to brighten up my eyes a little bit so they don't look so dead. So there's that side. See how much of a difference that makes? So of course the same on the other side. On days like today, I don't want to feel like my face is being suffocated. You know, I don't want to slap on too much makeup on my face because I just kind of want to chillax. Does anyone even use that word anymore? Did anyone actually seriously use that word before? So there's both eyes concealed and brightened. Already it's made a really big difference. This is honestly probably the most important part of this, apart from the eyebrows, but most of you probably already have eyebrows, so it's okay. I do not. I obviously need to draw them in. Unless you also don't have eyebrows and you like the way it looks without eyebrows, no one's telling you what to do. You can have no eyebrows if you want to. Be who you want to be. So now I had a little blemish there that I have dotted some concealer on, and the kind of redness around my nose. I'm not used to doing like talk through makeup videos. I usually do a voiceover and just say what I'm doing. Although I like this. This is kind of more like a hangout sesh. So I might do this more, who knows. Let me know if you want me to do more talk through makeup videos and I'll see what I can do. Covering this little blemish here. You know, this isn't actually a spot. It was a spot, a really big one. And I know you're supposed to leave spots alone, but guess what I didn't do? I picked at it, it bled. I was left with like a giant massive hole in my face. I know, it's really gross. A big hole turned into a big scab. The scab healed away and now I'm left with a really big scar on my face. And I know it's a scar because, well, I mean, it's obviously stayed there, like a little red blemish there. But when I smile, I don't know if you can see, it's like a little dent in my cheek now. So great, don't pick at your blemishes, kids, because you'll be left with a giant scar or more on your face. I guess it serves a purpose now as a deterrent to stop me from doing it again, even though I probably will do it again, but I'm sure I will grow to love it. Love your imperfections because they are what make you beautiful. I don't know why I winked. I feel like I just made that really creepy. So yeah, I'm just kind of dabbing over. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. That's so dead by now. So just doing the same thing as with everywhere else. Just dabbing the concealer in to cover my blemishes. This process is usually really quick, but I keep talking. So it's making it last a little bit longer. Down my nose. Ta-da! Dab that in. Blend out the edges. Now we're going to set it on my face. I'm going to be going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder with a little puffy puff pad thing. Make sure the creases are blended out and just kind of pat that all over my face. Very quick and simple. Suppose this makeup routine is also useful for if you're in a rush, because it is a lot quicker obviously than doing a full face of makeup. So that is the base of my makeup done. The next step that I am going to do, which is completely optional, you obviously don't have to do this, but I literally feel naked without it, so no matter what I always feel the need to contour. Before I do that though, I'm going to put on some lip balm because my lips are a little bit dry. But like I said, this is completely optional. I know a lot of people don't like to contour. A lot of people see it as an unnecessary time wasting step in their makeup routine, so you know. There are times when I don't contour, although it's very rare. I feel just incomplete without it. I'm just picking up a little bit of contour from the Sleek Face Contour Kit in Light and just lightly going over my cheekbones. Make sure I blend it into my hairline because I'm not wearing a wig today. I'm really not adding a lot, just enough to give my face a little bit of dimension so it's not so flat looking. Blending it up a little bit into my five head. Add a little bit under my jawline because I don't like my chin. And now for a little bit of nose contour. And I'm going to go over that contour with my powder to soften up a little bit. At this point I usually like to add a little bit of blush. Again, that's completely optional. I just like to add a little bit more colour to my face. It's not necessary, you don't have to do it. And I also like to bring it over my nose a little bit. So now that my face is done, it's time to move on to eyebrows. So I'm just gonna quickly do my eyebrows and I'll be back. So now going straight onto the eyes, I just use this RImmel London Glam'Eyes liquid eyeliner in black Glamour. Just line my eyes like quite thin. I don't generally add any eyeshadow or anything. I literally just line my eyes. And I don't really spend too long on this because, again, like, I'm feeling lazy, I can't be bothered. I don't spend ages trying to get it to be perfect. I just want to not feel like I look like trash, so I just simply line my eyes and I add just a little tiny wing. You don't need to look like a flawless princess every day. So that's the eyeliner done, nice and quick. Not perfect, but it doesn't matter. Going straight onto mascara. For today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Colossal Volum Express mascara in 100% black. I really need to get a new mascara because this is drying out really badly. You can obviously wear false lashes with this if you want to. I usually do because, as you can see, my eyelashes are pretty much non-existent. You cannot see them, they are so short. So I usually do wear like a natural looking pair of false eyelashes. Unless I really can't be bothered, like today, I just don't have the energy to wait for the glue to dry and everything. So I'm just gonna have to make do with my natural non-existent eyelashes. I also like to do my bottom eyelashes, although this is optional. And that's my eyelashes done, although actually I am gonna put on some false eyelashes because I really hate my natural eyelashes. I know, it's sad, but so I'll be right back with some false eyelashes on. So there's my eyelashes all done. The next step is to add just a little bit of highlighter, and today I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked highlighter in Golden Lights. So I just put a bit on my cheekbones, under my eyebrows, in the middle of my eyes, and the last step will be to use this Nivea Fruity Shine Strawberry Lip Balm. That adds a tiny bit of colour to my lips and keeps them hydrated. And that is my makeup done. It's really basic, at least by my standards. Really basic, really easy, and really quick. My full face makeup looks usually take like between an hour and a half to 3 hours, so this is definitely a much quicker alternative that I usually go for most days, or on days where I'm feeling more lazy but I still want to do makeup. So yeah, that was my simple, basic, lazy day makeup routine. I don't know if this video will have been helpful to anyone, but I just thought I'd show you guys what I do for my makeup on, you know, pretty much most of my days, especially on weeks where I don't feel like doing too many makeup looks. I generally either don't wear makeup or I do my makeup like this. So yeah, this is what I normally look like. So let me know what you think. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below on how long it generally takes you to do your makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!